How to get Amazon free trial. Amazon offers a free trial for its Prime membership, which includes access to Prime Video, Prime Music, free shipping, and other benefits. Here's a step-by-step guide to activate your Amazon free trial. Step 1. Visit the Amazon Prime page. Go to www.amazon.com/prime in your browser. Alternatively, navigate to the Prime section through Amazon's homepage. Step 2. Click Start Your Free Trial. Look for the Start Your Free Trial button on the Prime page. Click it to begin the sign-up process. Step 3. Sign in or create an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account, click Create Your Amazon Account and fill in the required details: name, email, password. Step 4. Choose your plan. Select the Prime plan that fits your needs. Monthly plan. Pay per month after the trial. Annual plan. Save by paying for a full year upfront. Both plans are eligible for the free trial. Step 5. Add payment information. Enter your credit, debit card, or PayPal details. Amazon won't charge you during the free trial period, but charges will apply after it ends unless canceled. Step 6. Start enjoying Amazon Prime. Once the trial is active, you can enjoy benefits like free 2-day or same-day shipping on eligible items, access to Prime Video and Prime Music, exclusive deals and discounts, Prime reading for ebooks and magazines. Step 7. Cancel before the trial ends if needed. Log in to your Amazon account. Go to your account Prime membership. Select End Trial and Benefits to avoid being charged after the trial ends. By following these steps, you can enjoy Amazon Prime free for 30 days or 6 months for students and experience its wide range of benefits.